14 to shoot. 10 to shoot for 3. Malakas nakakuha ng kalaban number 11. Number 11 after pass his teammate pulls up. Tulay nakakuha ni number 3. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Field number 0 out the pass is number 24. 2 points.
Pumasok ka na. Mamaya takit.
Sige, kali mo mag-viral kayo dito. Number 0.
Long time mo siya.
Number 0 pass to number 24. Sanglay, malakas. Pero, kanya pa rin.
Mamaya pa.
Number 9. 2 points. Number 9. 22-14.
Bola.
15 to shoot. 2 points. Number 7 pass to number 0. 15 to shoot. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. 10 to shoot. Number 7. Malakas ba yan o mahina? Number 3. Number 3 pulls out for 3. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 5 minutes and 8 seconds. Score 24-14. Last game po natin, Siargao Warriors versus ano ba? Tropang Papawis A. Anong number ka? Number 9. Ay, hindi ka na. Last 5 minutes. Nice pass sa ilalim. Short. Sublay pa rin. Kanya pa rin. Pass to number 15. Number 15 drives. Nabitawan. Nakakuha ni number 9. Number 9. Natapikan. Number 9. Pass to number 0. 15 to shoot.